Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you all. We'll be sharing 10 amazing life hacks for boosting productivity and managing your time effectively. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to make the most out of your day, these tips are for you. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Set clear goals. Our first life hack is all about setting clear goals. By defining what you want to achieve, you create a roadmap for success. Start by setting both short-term and long-term goals. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, achievable tasks. This way, you'll have a clear focus and a sense of accomplishment as you complete each task. Segment 2. Prioritize tasks. The second hack is all about prioritizing tasks. Make a to-do list and rank your tasks based on urgency and importance. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you tackle the most critical tasks first. Remember, not all tasks are created equal, so prioritize wisely. Segment 3. Time blocking. Our next life hack is time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different activities or tasks throughout your day. Set aside dedicated blocks for focused work, breaks, meetings, and personal time. This method helps you stay on track, minimize distractions, and maximize your productivity. Segment 4. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can be a major productivity killer. Our fourth life hack is all about eliminating them. Turn off notifications on your phone or use apps that block certain websites or apps temporarily. Create a clean and organized workspace that minimizes potential distractions. By doing so, you'll be able to stay focused and get more done. Segment 5. Delegate and outsource. Sometimes, we try to do everything ourselves, which can be overwhelming. Our fifth hack is to delegate tasks when possible and outsource certain activities that can be handled by others. This frees up your time to focus on the tasks that require your expertise and allows you to work more efficiently. Segment 6. Take regular breaks. It may sound counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks is essential for productivity. Our sixth life hack encourages you to schedule short breaks throughout your day. Stepping away from your work refreshes your mind, reduces mental fatigue, and increases overall productivity when you return. Segment 7. Practice the 2-minute rule. Have you heard of the 2-minute rule? If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Our seventh life hack suggests tackling small tasks right away instead of adding them to your to-do list. This prevents small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. Segment 8. Use productivity apps and tools. We live in a digital age, and there are countless productivity apps and tools available to help us manage our time effectively. Our eighth hack is to explore and utilize these tools. Whether it's a task management app, a time tracker, or a focus-enhancing tool, finding the right productivity apps can make a significant difference in your efficiency. Segment 9. Practice single tasking. Multitasking can often lead to decreased productivity and a loss of focus. Our ninth life hack suggests practicing single tasking instead. Focus on one task at a time. Give it your full attention, and complete it before moving on to the next. This way, you'll produce higher quality work and complete tasks more efficiently. Segment 10. Reflect and adjust. Our final life hack is all about reflection and adjustment. Take time to evaluate your productivity and time management techniques regularly. Identify what's working well and what needs improvement. Make necessary adjustments to your strategies to optimize your productivity and achieve your goals. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it. 10 fantastic life hacks for productivity and time management. Remember, implementing these strategies may take some time, but with consistent practice, you'll see significant improvements in your productivity levels. Let us know in the comments which life hack resonated with you the most and if you have any other tips to share. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching.